right. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo! A booby trap. Ow, it's in my knuckle. Ow. It got my titty. Honestly, bro. We're going this way. Ow. Whoa. What's up, guys? Look at my new pad. Yeah, we've been working on that. Oh my gosh, my bars are jacked up. Super jacked up. Jeez, dude. I think there's a tire in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Look, there's another tire. Whoop bang. Oh, I can't even see the ground. I'm scared there's gonna be another tire. Look at my front brake. I forgot about that. Oh, I can't see nothing. Look at this guy. What are we doing? Just chilling. Oh, that's why there's not a bolt in it, bro. This is a loose program. Very loose program. Is that a good height? I guess. Whoa, it's slippery. Oh my gosh. Ow! It got my titty. Oh, this is way worse than I thought. Whoa. Oh my god. Dude. Holy flip. I can't see these rocks at all. And it literally just rained. Oh my gosh. More bar bars. Great. Bar bars. Ow! Thorn bushes on that. Look at them things. Oh, we died. Ow, it's in my knuckle. Oh! Ow! Oh! Oh! We're out of it. This crap back here is going to be so difficult wet. My body is literally dripping. Oh yeah, this crap is ice. This is hard. Woo! Look at the rain rut. Whoa! Wow, that is ice. Wow, this is sketchy back here right now. Oh, why did I think? Oh, I saw a person. Does anybody else do that in the woods? They just be riding and something at the corner of their eye, they look and it's like a tree down or something. I do that so much back here. It's kind of ridiculous. Oh, dude, that is like a booby trap. Holy cow. Oh dang, it's coming down. You guys probably can't see nothing. Look, there's another. Yeah, that'll get your neck real good. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, I was like, great. I like to do this and oh, this is not the right way. Ah! This trail is so fun. Ah! Voice crack. Ah! Whoa! Everything is slick as snot. I don't know if I'm enjoying it or not. My whole arms are soaked. Ah! Alright, let's go put a slower downhill so we don't cry in pain. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I wonder if we can go up that. It's slippery. Oh my gosh. They get so much heavier on the side of the hill. Who would have thought? Okay. So much fun. Yeah. Oh, so slick. Camera uphill. I mean, it's ridiculous. Ah. I love when I back up into a hole I can't touch. Alright. Well, I'm not good at this anymore. I literally cannot make it. I don't know what made me think I could. Honestly. Honestly, bro. Oh my gosh. I hate that. Ow. Gosh. That's what I get for saying I hate Mountain Laurel. That's literally what was about to come out my mouth. That's slick. I should have known. That's why I hate Mountain Laurel. They are so tough. All right, we're out of that. Barely. My visor is dripping. It's getting wetter as I'm out here. Whoa! See your front end twitch? Love it. Love it. Oh, we're bombing this. Whoa! Everything's slick. Everything's slick. Everything's slick. Oh, I forgot about the vines. Oh. Oh, what is stuck? Nothing. Okay. We're going this way. Ow! Go this way. Oh, I thought that was gonna break. That's what I get for thinking. We're just making loops. That's kind of a fun one. Let me go this way. Oh! 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 Can't go this way. Interesting. I mean, you can. Ah! Oh, I didn't even see that log. Dude, why are these sticks attacking my brake? You guys know I need that, that's why. Oh! Getting smacked in the face. Pause. That's a huge pause. I didn't even say that for real. This is literally chest mount views. Dude, how y'all like my new angle? Yeah, it's sick. It's sick. Y'all like the crotch view? Do I like my new crotch view? It's so rad, isn't it? You can see nothing and everything at the same time. Okay, I'm not going to do that to you guys. This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah! Be careful down the downhills when wet. I should put a sign there.
Okay, I don't like you. Alright, thank you.
Woo! There's sunlight!
Oh my gosh, there's sunlight! Wow! It's so sunny and bright. Wow!
never experienced a dirt bike, this is basically it. It's just rainbows and it just makes you feel a little crazy, you know, and that's okay.
Ooh-wee. I'm getting tired. Oh my goodness. Oh, man, that was a lot of dirt bike riding.